Hello guys, welcome to this session. So Unacademy is launching new course. This is a specifically GATE course for those students who are not able to understand Hindi. The whole syllabus of the GATE is covered in the English. If I am going to talk about particularly mechanical engineering, so you will get 777 hours of the content for the mechanical engineering, and top educators in this particular course is Gurupal sir and Varun Singh sir. This course you can avail in this affordable price. 15 months in only 5,499 rupees and 30 months in 7,499 rupees. Apart from this, you can get 10% of discount by using this code GATE1111. You can get 10% of the discount. It means that again the total price for this particular course is reduced from this. 10% reduction is there. And what you will exactly get in this course, I'm going to tell you about this course. It is a structured course. Whole syllabus is covered in the English, and it is a pre-recorded course. Like I'm going to show you a particular subject lecture information. Like this is what a subject theory of machine, and the lecture information of this particular subject is this one, and you will get this lecture information for all the subjects, where the name of the topics and the duration of that particular video will be there. So you can easily access that particular video, or you can see what time required to cover that particular course, particular subject. So you can plan your day, your week, your month easily to cover the syllabus and revise it. So it will going to help you in your preparation a lot. So book this particular course early. Thank you so much.